This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Sharon Engels. New construction in peaceful Birchwood Development south of Everson. Quality built 3-bedroom plus office, 2.5 bath home and huge bonus room. Large living room with gas fireplace and sliding door opening to covered patio, perfect for entertaining. Beautiful white shaker cabinets in kitchen. Soft close doors and drawers. Quartz counters throughout. Eating bar. Stainless appliances plus big walk-in pantry. Master features walk-in closet, double vanity, 6 walk-in tile shower with seat and pedestal tub. Oversized 2-car garage, 926 square feet, all on a large landscaped lot. Attention to detail will set this home apart from the rest. Home under construction and still time to pick your colors.